Your Excellency,
Excellency, the Prime Minister, Mr. Hun Sen of the Empire of Cambodia, all the honorable members of his delegation, eminent guests, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Once again, I am very pleased to welcome Prime Minister Hun Sen to India. This state visit of his is taking place after a gap of 10 years. However, Prime Minister, you yourself know India very well, and India knows you well as well. I am sure that this visit has been a good opportunity for you to very closely see the economic and social changes that have been taking place in India. 2 days ago, during the ASEAN-India Commemorative Summit, we had extensive talks on ASEAN-India cooperation. India and the leaders of 10 ASEAN countries took some important decisions so that ASEAN-India cooperation can, in the years to come, reach new heights. In this context, Prime Minister Hun Sen has honored us by accepting my invitation and by coming to the summit. Not just this, during the summit, he made a valuable contribution to the decisions and discussions that took place during the summit, and for this I convey to him my heartfelt thanks. Friends, India and Cambodia's ancient relations and historic relations have further been strengthened during the latter half of the last century, when during the political changes that were taking place in Cambodia, India stood shoulder to shoulder with its old friend and with its citizens. Prime Minister Hun Sen and myself, we agree on the fact that based on current needs, we need to further deepen our relations in all fields. India is not only ready, but committed to increase our cooperation with Cambodia in lots of fields. For example, economic and social development, capacity building, culture, trade, tourism, and also the people-to-people links. Our common cultural heritage is a very important part of our shared heritage. The restoration of the Angkor Wat, the historic Angkor Wat, which was built in the 12th century, this is a very good example of our cooperation. We are very pleased to be able to contribute to the protection and conservation of the cultural heritage of Cambodia. Our languages both originate in Pali and the Sanskrit languages. It is a matter of great happiness for us that our historical and cultural relations have very deep roots, and therefore to increase mutual tourism there are numerous possibilities. Friends, for India, it is a matter of great happiness that Cambodia, a friend of ours, is undergoing rapid economic progress. And in the last 2 decades, it has achieved a 7% annual growth rate. India is a country that is progressing at a very fast pace. Our economy is growing at a very fast pace because our values and our culture are similar. Therefore, between both our countries, increasing trade is a natural synergy for both of us.
The liberal economic policies of Cambodia and the establishment of the ASEAN Economic Community will bring forth a lot of good opportunities for investment from India, especially in the areas of health, medicines, information technology, agriculture, automobiles and auto components, textile, etc. In so many of these areas, there is opportunity for us to cooperate. I am confident that in the coming few years, the bilateral trade between our two countries will increase, and there will be more and more investors from India who will make a very useful presence of themselves in Cambodia. Friends, development cooperation is a very important and integral part of India-Cambodia relations. Social and economic development of Cambodia, India would like to be an important friend in this journey. We've been committed to it so far and will continue to be so. We have undertaken projects, and we have also proposed certain lines of credit for projects which are as per the requirements of the Cambodian government, especially in areas of health connectivity and digital connectivity. Every year, India implements 5 quick impact projects in Cambodia. We have also decided to increase the number of these quick impact projects from 5 to 10. We have also established a project development fund with a corpus of 5 billion rupees, and this fund is going to be used to expand Indian industry and businesses and to make our supply chain cost effective. We are also going to establish a center of excellence in IT and IT-enabled services in Cambodia. India
Indian Technology and
is
Economic Cooperation Program
a positive
friend
friend of Cambodia in the area of Indian Technology and Economic Cooperation Program, which is more than 50 years old. More than 1,000 Cambodians have undergone capacity building training programs under this program. In the future also, we will continue on this program and expand this as per the requirements of Cambodia. Friends, on international platforms also, both the countries have displayed very strong cooperation, and our relations have been that of trust in various regional and international platforms. We would like to further strengthen the current synergy that we have between our countries and will continue giving support to each other at international forums. In the end, I would like to thank His Excellency Prime Minister Hun Sen for his very unique friendship and honor that he has given as a guest by being here. I hope that his visit to India is going to be pleasant and memorable. And I assure you that in the coming years, India is ready for strengthening its ties with Cambodia so that our deep and traditional relations with Cambodia and the people of Cambodia is further strengthened. Once again, I would like to thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Cambodia to
Excellencies Narendra Modi, I'm truly pleased. Thanks. Encouraging wording. Which is for your friendship. It's true that
ខ្ញុំបានស្គាល់នាងតាំងពីពេលដែលខ្ញុំនៅមានវ័យ29ឆ្នាំ
29 years old.
ក្នុងឋានៈជាបាសយុរដ្ឋមន្ត្រីនិងជារដ្ឋមន្ត្រីការបរទេសនៅឆ្នាំ1981ខ្ញុំបានទស្សនកិច្ចនៅទីនេះគឺប្រហែលពេលនេះគឺមានរយៈពេល37ឆ្នាំ
37 years already.
ខ្ញុំបានទស្សនកិច្ចនៅទីនេះ
I made the first visit here.
ខ្ញុំបានទស្សនកិច្ចលើការនិងទស្សនកិច្ចការងារជាច្រើន
Working visit,
ធ្វើឲ្យកិច្ចការប្រតិបត្តិការរវាងប្រទេសទាំងពីរ
cooperation with the countries,
និងមានការជួយទុកចិត្ត
and more trustworthy.
ប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្របានចងចាំ
History
ថាបានបញ្ជាក់គូបញ្ជាក់
underlines
ប្រជា
that
ជននាជាងព័ត៌មាន
Cambodia, more than million,
បានប្រមការគ្រប់គ្រងឲ្យទូស្គាល់
and recognize
កម្ពុជានៅក្នុងកលៈទេសៈដ៏លំបាកបំផុតមិនต้องពុំរ
never
ក
get to accept the purpose.
គឺបានទទួលគឺជាប្រទេសប្រជាធិបតេយ្យបំផុត
Yes, democratic
ដែលបានទទួលស្គាល់កម្ពុជាតាមឆ្នាំ1981 ហើយតាមពេលនោះកម្ពុជាបានទទួលផលប្រយោជន៍ពីការផ្ដល់ជំនួយពីគម្រោងកិច្ចការព័ត៌មានការ
from the project
ហើយក្រុមហ៊ុនការជំនួយ
from
បានផ្លាយទៅជាមូលដ្ឋានគ្រឹះសម្រាប់
solid foundation
លោកតាកម្ពុជា
for the Cambodian
ส่วน
officers
បាននៅការបរិយាកាសឲ្យប្រចាំនេះរហូតដល់សប្តាហ៍
the job at home in Cambodia here
ខ្ញុំ
today.
សូមយកឱកាសនេះ
Take this
ជួយ
opportunity
ឡើងពួកនិងគ្រូសាស្ត្ររបស់រដ្ឋជារដ្ឋដែល
Excellencies Prime Minister Modi
តែបានជួយលើកយកទៅវិទ្យានេះក៏សំស្ប
deserve
តែមានការដំណើរការជួបប្រជុំហើយគូគូសាវរី
ASEAN and India commemorative summit the
ពួក
25th
ការជួបរួមរៀបចំ
the
សាវរី
celebration
របស់រដ្ឋាភិបាល
head of state
របស់
of
បាន
ASEAN
ចូលរួម
and also participate in the celebration of the 69 Republic of Cambodia and also
បានប្រកបការ
take
ជំ
an
នាញ
opportunity
រៀបទស្សនកិច្ច
ever to the official
សា
visit
ធុសម្រាប់គម្រោងកិច្ចការប្រតិបត្តិការនេះ
of cooperation.
ខ្ញុំទៅជាមួយគណៈភាពជាមួយនឹង
Really
តំណាក់របស់ប្រសាទ
with this good
តែជាអតីតកាល
in the past,
រហូតដល់បច្ចុប្បន្ននៅសង្ឃឹមទៅលើដំណាក់កាល
better he did
នៅក្នុងការពិភាក្សាហើយយើងពិភាក្សាទៅជាមួយ
discuss in
ហើយ
depth
ក៏ប្រកាសជួបជុំ
with
បានតាមនៃការព្រមនៅសារការសន្និសីទរបស់ព្រះ
signing of the agreement and MOU
ហើយដែលសង្ឃឹមថានៅក្នុងនេះគឺពួកយើងទៅនឹងជួយបាន
three
រក
would
ប្រកប
be implemented successfully.
ពួកជាការរៀបរៀងឃើញថា
Pleased to see
នៅ
that
ក្នុងជំនួបគឺវិធីបានមិនក្រេក៏ដូចជាក្នុងជំនួប
as well as
ចំពោះនឹងវា
in
ជា
this sub between India
ការ
and
ផ្ដល់នូវមុខមួយការសិក្សាដែលអត់ជានឹងការពង្រឹងកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការ
strengthening
ជាមួយនឹង
cooperation
ប្រទេស
with ASEAN
តាម
countries.
សំខាន់នៃនយោបាយសកម្មភាពឆ្ពោះទៅគឺការ
Look his policies, act
កា
his
រជាសម្ប
policies.
ត្តិទទួលផលប្រយោជន៍
Cambodia also
ហើយ
benefit
សូម
from
ឲ្យ
his
ប្រជាជនដែលសាកល
I
មាន
can
តែ
also
ថា
stress to
ទស្សនកិច្ចរបស់ខ្ញុំលើកនេះ
my visit
ក៏បានរកឃើញចំណុចពិសេសមួយដែលយើងអាចនឹងមានលទ្ធភាពជួយដល់
Cambodia
ប្រជាជន
can help Cambodia
នៅក្នុងការប្រើបច្ចេកវិទ្យាបច្ចេកវិទ្
use
យា
IT
ក៏អនុស្សាវរីយ៍ទៅក្នុងការជួយនៅក្នុងវិស័យកសិកម្ម
help the agricultural
តែ
sectors
របស់
within
តែ
the
បានស្នើចំពោះដល់
request
ប្រជាជន
to
ឲ្យ
Excellencies Prime
ដែល
Minister
ផ្ដល់
so that
នៅគម្រោងជាអាជីពទៅក្នុងការ
priority
អភិវឌ្ឍកិច្ចការស สำหรับใครใช้ของการทำ
This is of the
สำ
soil.
หรับนี่คือชีวิตของแต่ละเรื่องนั้นคือพวกเขาในการช่วยการทำชีวิตการช่วยการเกษตรกรการชีวิต
Cambodian farmers
ส่วนบุคคลการวิสัยเกษตรกรวิสัยการที่ของการจุฬาภาษาคำถามยืดยุ่งนี้
hope that Indian investors
มันได้ทำชีวิตการจะได้มีที่เครื่องมือช่วยช่วย
and this agreement that we have
แก้
made
ปัญหาการดูสมบูรณ์ยิ่งขึ้นเป็นสองนี้ภาษาคำถามนี้ในการรู้ยุ่งการ
hope
จะ
that
สำ
Indian
คัญ
investors in Cambodia
จะบอกผมนะสมมติมันเคยสร้างออกมาสร้างแต่ของเราต้องเคยสร้างออกมาการเรื่องปัญหาอันตรายชีวิต
in the
ปัญหา
international
ว่า
area
ปัญหาอันตรายชีวิต
vision and
การกำหนด
international
ของการที่สร้างที่สร้างออกมาสร้างการศึกษา
about the more
คือเรื่องข้อภาษาสังกฤษก่อนที่นะครับชีวิตในการเข้า
Cambodian
ถึ
to
ง
peacekeeping version and
เรื่อง
Cambodian
การที่การในยุคตอนที่
work that we need to do
เอา
together.
ไว้ในช่วงสังคมโลกช่าง
I hope
คือใคร
and
เรา
expecting
ที่เรา
that
ใน
Excellency's Prime
ผู้
Minister's
ทุกสมัครเป็นมีบริษัทอยากจะกลับมาเชื่อตามผู้บริษัทของ
according to appropriate
โอทาคือผู้สมัครเป็นวายเราเมืองไทยน้องมองโดยชุกเช่นในการสร้างออกมาการเสร็จสิ้น
additional
เสร็จ
success to our
คือชี
cooperation.
วิตเนี่ยมีอยู่ในที่สุดบอกการเรียนกับสิ่ง
Indian
ที่
tourists and investors to go to
ใน
Cambodia.
บอกที่เขาคุยกันในการทำงานที่จะต้องการ
Excellencies to
เป็น
the
ความ
Royal
สุข
Hospitality
จะผูกแขน
extend
มัน
to
ขนาด
the
เราไป
communication
ออกคนที่ผูกไปชิดช่วยกันดีในการช่วยชิดกันว่าในการเข้า
all
ไป
the time provide support to Cambodia. Thank you.
This concludes